Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. Today, I'll be making oxtails. You will need 2 pounds of oxtails, 1 cup of onion, 4 cups of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 4 tablespoons of browning, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Add your browning and Worcestershire sauce to your oxtails. Now season with your salt and pepper. Now mix well, then set them aside until later. Set your slow cooker to browning, then melt your butter. Add your onions, then saute for 2 minutes. Now add your flour, then whisk until it is golden brown. Now pour in your beef broth. Add your brown sugar, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder, then mix until well incorporated. Now add the oxtails, then bring your liquid to a light simmer. Cover, then change your setting from browning to slow cook, then allow it to cook on high for 4 hours. After 4 hours, then they are ready to serve. Don't forget to search the hashtag SoulFoodSunday. Then after watching this video, head on over to Cooking with CJ and Smoking and Grilling with AB to see what they're cooking up this Soul Food Sunday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make. To grasp how to make great food with steps